Hi everybody, I'm just going to show a quick video of reviewing how to graph quadratic because some of you sound like you need a bit of a refresher. So there's many ways that you can graph quadratics. One of them is obviously using your calculator. You can convert an equation like this to an equation in vertex form. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to find the roots and then the vertex in order to graph this. So this is the original equation that we have to graph. First thing that we have to do is remove the negative because we always want to factor a positive coefficient. So we remove the negative, and then the new equation that we're going to factor is x squared minus 2x minus 8. So we're just going to be focusing on this trinomial right here, and we want to figure out our two numbers that multiply to negative 8 and add to negative 2. And we should know that x minus 4 and x plus 2 are those factors. This negative that's on the outside, it just kind of stays on the outside at this point. We're going to take each of these individual factors and set them equal to 0 to determine our roots. So we have x minus 4 equal to 0. When we solve for that, we get x equals 4. And then x plus 2 equal to 0 will give us x minus 2. So these are the two roots, or our x-intercepts. Okay. Moving on, we want to find the axis of symmetry, and that's the line that divides our parabola into equal symmetrical halves. Okay, to do that, we take our two x-intercepts and add them together. So we have 4 plus negative 2, and we're going to divide by 2 to find that midpoint, which is equal to 1. At this point, this is the x value of our vertex, which is either the highest point or the lowest point of our parabola. From there, we take that value and we substitute it into the original equation. So we have negative 1 squared plus 2 multiplied by 1 plus 8. Our final answer is 9. That is our y value. Okay? When we put those two together into a coordinate, we have 1 and 9 making up our coordinate. This is what our vertex is. Okay? This we should recognize has a negative in front, so it means that it's opening downwards. So the highest point on our graph is going to be at 1 and 9. At this point, we can also find the y-intercept. So we substitute 0 in for our x values, leaving us just with 8, and that gives us our y-intercept. And it's just nice to have another point that we can identify on our graph. So the sketch of our graph is going to look like this. Okay, so we have our x and y axis. Our intercepts are negative 2, which was found over here, and positive 4, which is over here. Excuse the inaccuracy of my drawing here, but positive 8 is our y-intercept, and our vertex is way up here at 1, 9. Okay, so this is how to graph quadratics in standard form. This is the background knowledge that you need in order to complete graphing absolute functions, which are different. Okay, but this is the starting point for every one of the questions that we'll be working on in 7.2. So hopefully this refresher has helped you out, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.